Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Traders coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. We're going to be talking about this 26,000%. What is up with that? We're going to be talking about that. What does that mean to you and me out there? We're going to be talking about Dogecoin. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin in terms of transaction, how it's outstripping Pepe, how it's outstripping Shiba Inu. Also, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, some support and resistance levels that we need to be that we need to think about, that we need to talk about, and that you need to understand, guys, in this volatile environment, guys. So let's jump into it. Remember, all this is financial advice. Let's get into the content without any further delay, guys. Keep in mind that the pre-markets right now are pretty much neutral out there. It's anybody's guess if the markets are going to go up or go down. But a lot of people are still concerned about the debt ceiling out there. And I have a feeling that we could see that the markets could be going down, down, or at least closing pretty slightly in the red, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what could be happening. We're seeing that right now in terms of huge announcements. The only thing that's coming that makes any sense that's going to impact crypto is we got retail sales. That's about it. That's going to be happening today. Guys, keep in mind that we still got this happening, and remember, we've got around 16 days before we get the finale of the debt ceiling. I believe that we're going to be seeing that the Fed is going to capitulate and they're going to increase the debt ceiling out there, guys. It's going to happen. It's absolutely going to happen. Take a look at fear and greed right now. So actually, we're better than we were yesterday, even though we have the debt ceiling and the price of things skyrocketing. People are still pretty positive, and we're going to be seeing if the debt ceiling is not increased out there and the U.S. does default, we're going to see more and more people flocking to Bitcoin and crypto like crazy right now. If you take a look at the heat map, guys, we're seeing pretty much red everywhere. Bitcoin is down 1.2%, but overall, we're seeing that Bitcoin is still at $27,000. Excuse me, but we're seeing that Bitcoin has to get above the $27,450 level. If we can get above that, it's bullish. If we stay at these levels, it's pretty bearish. Ethereum is looking a little bit better. Also seeing that right now, we're seeing that the dominance for Bitcoin is coming down at 46.6. And we're seeing that, in fact, that the Ethereum dollars is going up. And we're seeing that the altcoin dollars is going up as well, guys. So looks like the altcoins are actually starting to outperform Bitcoin right now. So that is pretty good. We can see on the 7-day basis, we're seeing that right now that Bitcoin is down compared to Ethereum. And it looks like Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin overall. We're seeing that, slightly down 1%. We're seeing Ethereum down 0.5%. We're seeing BNB is down as well. Looks like XRP is down. Cardano is down. And we're seeing the Dogecoin is about down almost 0.79%. And Dogecoin is at 0.72 cents out there. So that's what's going on out there in terms of the markets out there. And we're seeing that total market cap right now has gone down 1.39%. So we're still holding above 1.13 trillion. Let's hope this holds. Like I said, May is going to be pretty much in the toilet, and we're probably going to be exiting May almost at the same levels that we entered, guys. So that's what it is. It's going to be a pretty stagnant week out there, pretty stagnant month out there. Guys, the wreckage is very slight, only $52 million. Don't forget CME futures gap that's going to be happening on Friday, guys. We're going to be talking about that. What does that mean to you and me out there? Interesting factoid, most of the wreckage in the last 24 hours has been Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Pepe, guys. So a lot of people are leverage trading Pepe, and a lot of people getting wrecked. We're seeing a lot of longs happen, so we're going to see a long squeeze, and we're going to see basically crypto go down. We're seeing that right now. It's almost neutral between longs and shorts out there, but the long squeeze will put some pressure on the Bitcoin price and put that down. DXY, it's going down. That is good news out there. Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is just traveling midway in this channel right here between 27.8 and a low of 26,502. So there's a key level that we need to get above, and that's around about this level here, around about 27.5, 27.450 in that area. That will confirm a bullish trend out there. So that's what's going on from that perspective. We're still above the trend line, so that is pretty good out there. So I'm pretty excited about that. So overall, still okay. As long as we keep above this 26,620 area, we should be fine and dandy out there. So guys, if you're still unsure where Bitcoin is currently at, let me introduce you to the TR indicator out there. So as you can see, many important EMA bands have crossed the SMA 30 band. This only happened in 2015 and 2019. And when this happened, we often see something bullish happening out there. So I wouldn't worry about it. We're also going to be showing that a lot of whales have been buying the dip and moved a ton of Bitcoin off Coinbase out there. So that's pretty good. Now, keep in mind, I did talk about that Bitcoin has a CMA gap, and it's between 26.5 and 26.8 out there level, which is likely to be filled. So if that is filled soon, as we will aggressively creating lower highs for the next few weeks. So if that gets filled, that could push Bitcoin going down to about 25K, guys. So get ready for that. Get ready for that. But I'm still bullish. I'm still optimistic. Right now, as I told you, that right now there's an 81.6 chance that we are going to pause the interest rate hikes on the 14th of June. So that is pretty good. As you can see here by this matrix, 54% have said that we're going to pause out there. So that's pretty good. That should be bullish for crypto. That should be bullish for the broader markets. That should be bullish for you and me. Looks like Bitcoin is forming a daily falling wedge right below the key resistance level here, and could provide just the push it needs to break the resistance. I'm ready for the bull market to resume. Are you? I think we're going to resume, guys. We're going to see a little bit of volatility, a little bit of choppiness, particularly for the most month of May out there. So we should return to the upside. That would be really good out there. Looks like 23,000 Bitcoin was transferred from Coinbase to cold wallets out there. So that is pretty good. We're seeing a lot of whales buying the Bitcoin dip, guys, on Coinbase and moving it off, guys. So whales are buying the dip. So that is healthy. That is positive. That is good news out there. Looks like Binance CEO CZ out there has unfollowed Musk. What? But the $500 million investment that CZ made in the Twitter platform is still intact. So a lot of people are wondering what this is all about. Is this going to lead to, Musk and CZ battling it out over turf or something? So let's see what that's all about. It's still an unfolding story out there. We'll update you out there. We're seeing that the Shiba Inu burn rate soars 26,000%. Will bulls leverage this metric? From my perspective, I don't think so. Shiba Inu is seeing a slight slip in its price. So the price of Shiba Inu is going down out there, but we are seeing a lot of burn out there. So that is pretty good. The meme coin is trading at about 8797. That's down about 0.81% over the last 24 hours per data from Coin Market Cap out there. The meme coin is still up in the green over the past week, during which it has have marginal growth. So nothing really happening except the burn. But the burn is not going to be affecting the price, guys. So we often talk about these burns. It doesn't affect the overall price, guys. So that's what that's all about. We're also seeing that SHIB and Pepe and Dogecoin leads Pepe peak in the dust. So we're seeing that even though we had this huge pump out there, so Doge days of glory, we're still seeing that the overall volumes for Doge are much higher than Pepe and much higher than Shiba Inu. So that's pretty positive that the community is still looking pretty strong for Dogecoin out there, guys. So what's happening with Pepe right now? Pepe is just going sideways like crazy, and nothing is really happening. Will it break the outside? Will it break the downside? I don't know. If it breaks down below this trend line, then we're going to go down, down. If we, I think more likely that we're going to probably be going down, and the next levels that we're going to be seeing is here. We're going to be seeing these levels coming in. That's what I'm thinking. Pepe right now is down 0.4%, which is not too shabby. Well, not too shabby considering that most days Pepe has been down a lot. So that is pretty good. Maybe a little bit of recovery out there. Who knows? Out there. Have no fear. Doge is here. Get ready, guys. So next bull run, we see that on the monthly chart. We're seeing that Dogecoin always forms these wedge-shaped patterns, and then when we break resistance, we often pump the upside. So hopefully Dogecoin will giddy on up and we'll be able to break resistance. So right now, Dogecoin is doing pretty much similar to what all the other meme coins, just kind of going sideways, very tight range out there. If we can break this resistance level here, that's going to be good for Dogecoin, and that will propel it above 75 cents out there. If we get ourselves above 75 cents, then that's going to be good, because Dogecoin has just been breaking down, down. It's just going down. It's contracting down, but it's saying midway in this resistance level, support level here. So we need a good, nice bounce to the upside. So that's what's going on with that one. Dogecoin is down 0.79%, 0.72. We're seeing the market cap is still at 10, and we're seeing that the 24-hour market cap has unchanged. We're seeing right now that the volumes are down 13%. That's what's going on. Down 30% out there. Wow. So overall, like I said, 90 days, Doge is down everywhere, guys. The only thing that's up is the last hour. So not looking too good for Doge from that perspective. 49% in, 48% out, pretty much neutral out there. what's going on right now with Ethereum? Ethereum is also just breaking down a little bit. It's kind of going sideways at our support level, support resistance level at 1811 out there. So it could break down. If this support doesn't hold, we could be seeing next stop for Ethereum about 1672, guys. So, guys, don't forget to, if you have your crypto on a centralized platform, get it off there. Get my NANO Leger, guys. Be part of the conversation. I would appreciate it, guys and gals. What's going on for Shiba Inu right now? Like I said, Shiba Inu is down 0.74% at 0.8798 out there. Not looking good for Shiba Inu, guys. So, guys, just to remind you, be cautious. Remember, never invest everything. Do your own research out there. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose out there. So, much love out there. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it, guys and gals. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Much love out there, guys. I appreciate it. Come to you live. And if you want to check out where all the other links are, just go down below any of these, any of my videos. Go down, scroll down. You got the Patreon, my channel, coffee, all that kind of stuff is there. And guys, get the merch. I appreciate it, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. See you in the next one tomorrow morning, Vietnam time, guys. I'll see you. Peace out.